So here I created a simple database using MS Access. So nagawa ko na po yung um, database. So I'm just going to explain it na lang kung paano ko siya ginawa. So first, I created a table. So dito, for example, dito yan. So I created a table and pinangalanan ko lang siya na customers table, um, products table, and orders table. So after that, sir is nilagyan ko siya ng data. So sa customer, nilagyan ko ng data. Sa customer name, nilagyan ko siya ng mga customer name, address, email. So nilagyan ko na rin siya ng data. So sa orders, ganun rin. Pati na rin sa products. So as you can see here, keyboard and mouse and yung price. So after nun, nilagyan ko siya ng relationships. So dito, I connected customer ID sa orders table and products ID sa orders table. And para magkaroon sila ng relationship sa gagawin nating pag-run. So next is i-run ko siya gamit ang query. So here, i-add ko lang to lahat ng tables natin. So after adding the tables, kukunin ko si customer name, product name, price of the product, quantity, and order date. So after that, so dinouble click ko lang po yun siya dito. So after that, i-run natin siya here. So run. So as you can see, nag-run yung query. So nagpakita yung customer name natin and yung product name, price of the product, and quantity na in-order, and order date. So yun. So as you can see here, ano naman siya, accurate. Punta tayo sa orders table and customers name, products table. Yan, accurate siya. So next is the key differences between relational database and NoSQL database. So relational databases use tables with rows and columns to store structured data similar to a spreadsheet. They have fixed schema, meaning the structure must be defined before adding any data, and they use primary and foreign keys to connect related tables. In contrast, NoSQL databases store data in flexible formats such as documents, key values pairs, or graphs, allowing changes without a strict structure. So, relational database scale vertically by upgrading a single server. With NoSQL database scale horizontally by adding more servers. Example of relational database include MySQL, MS Access, and uh, tama yun, MS Access. So while MongoDB or database and Firebase are example of NoSQL databases. In short, um, relational databases are ideal for structured and consistent data, while NoSQL databases are better for large, fast changing or unstructured data. So that's it, sir.